All right, guys, so today we're testing out a new dash cam from this company right here, 70 MAI dash cam. So I'll show you guys what actually comes in the box here. So this literally comes with everything you need. This is actually the dash cam that mounts to the windshield for the outside. You can see here, there's actually a screen under here. Once I got it installed, I'll go ahead and remove that. It also comes with this lens right here that attaches. And basically that's so you can get it focused, so you get the best quality picture. Over here is going to be the inside facing camera. If you want to use it, you can. It is included. And basically you can mount that in to record inside the vehicle. Then you got the memory card that comes with it. Comes with a 64 gigabyte memory card and the wiring for it. Also the adapter to plug it in here. Then you got some screen protectors, and then this one actually came with the hardware kit to get 4G service, so I can stream it on my phone whenever I want. So let's get this hooked up and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so I do have it connected in the car with the power. I don't have it mounted yet because I still need to remove my old one, because that's actually going to go in the same spot as that. But I wanted to show you guys. It actually connected really simple. Once I turned it on, there was a QR code that popped up. I was able to scan it with my phone, and it literally took me like 2 minutes to connect it. Really simple. The picture quality on this is actually really good. I'm gonna try to show you guys. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera, but in person, it's actually like almost in 4K. So let me go ahead and move that around a little bit so you guys can get a better idea. And I didn't even focus it yet because remember I have that cover that snaps on there that I can control the focus, and I haven't even done it yet, and it's actually really clear. Also, another thing I wanted to mention is that other camera, this one right here, it actually comes with a really long cord, so I think this one you could actually run to the back window to get a rear view of the car, or you can mount it for inside, I guess, whatever you prefer, which is actually pretty cool because I'm going to run this to the back of my car. So overall, the quality of this is actually amazing compared to the one that I had previously. The picture quality is so much better. This one's built a lot nicer, and I'm definitely going to switch it up. So again, this is the one that I got from 70 MAI dash cam. This is actually 4K, just like I thought. So that's why the quality of the picture is amazing. So I'll go ahead and put a link for this in the description if you did want to purchase it. Thanks for watching.